So we have a Dodge Durango RA. It's like a sporty model. It's in for a radiator. Extremely expensive though, the radiator on this one. How much was this, Ruben?
$1,000.
Just for the frickin' radiator.
Yeah, you have to remove the whole front end.
Oh, you had to do the whole front end. Oh my lord.
Everything else.
So if you still want to save yourself a lot of money, instead of taking this to the dealership, you'll save yourself a couple of $100 by coming down to Lincoln Auto Electric. Old and new, modern cars, new cars, we fix them all. Ruben's a radiator specialist. So bring it down to 793 Redondo Avenue in Long Beach. Thank you, Ruben.
You're welcome.